pick up where we were. Everyone seems to think that they like this kind of stuff, so continue with it. We have a Facebook presentation. We can't do some of the live testing and stuff that we wanted to. Some of the stuff on Facebook just came out last week. For those of you who don't know, they came out with a pay-per-click system. It's based on social demographics. It's fairly inexpensive. We want to do some live testing, but given the fact that we've had so much problems with our beautiful internet connection here, that probably wouldn't be a smart thing to do. So we can do it as part of the group. That's not a problem. In your manual, there's actually, we went out to a Facebook Developers Conference a couple weeks ago. Cost me about $4,000, and I picked up a couple of things there that I thought were worth every penny of it. So I don't, other than the long flight, I think it was worth it. I hate flying for 6 or 7 hours, but then Stuart flies, and all these other people are flying from around the world, so I guess I could fly for a few hours. We hosted an event for the coaching club, and we went through it. We actually have a full-time dedicated team of programmers for developing Facebook applications. I'm not so certain that applies to everybody here, whether you're going to want to develop your own applications. Why would you do that? Well, it's a good source of free traffic, and we could show you how to do that. What's more important is they used to have a program that we've played with called Flyers. I've had several friends test it and use Flyers for advertising. They just eliminated Flyers. So actually, some of the stuff in the material that we just produced 2 or 3 weeks ago has to be changed already, because as of a few days ago, they eliminated one of the distribution channels we identified in our presentation and put in another one that we haven't had time to test because it's only been out for less than a week. So we're going to have to update you on that, but it's interesting because they have the demographics for it. But we'll get in a Facebook presentation. We just won't go into the detail because everyone pretty much seems to say the same thing over and over, is they care more about asking questions and seeing things that might apply to the general market rather than some of the specialized stuff that we do. You also said you wanted to have a speakers panel, so we'll try to squeeze that in. I told everyone we'd be out of here by 4 when we signed up, but we'll see what happens. We'll go back to where we were. One of the things several people at lunch said the same thing. Came up to me and said, well, you know, where do you find your ideas? I thought I've made that clear. I'm not holding anything back. Then another thing was, well, then if you're doing it and other people are doing it, then why should we do it? Well, do you have any idea how many different search engines there are? Do you have any idea how many different markets there are? Do you have any idea how many different digital cameras there are? Do you have any idea how many result pages? I mean, some of those result pages I showed you had 1.9 million pages. Yes, I was ranked on top. There's still 1.9 million other pages for you to rank for on other variations of the keywords. So I wouldn't worry about that. Pick the markets that you want. Pick markets. We've already gone through all that. There's a ton of market research in all the DVD materials I gave you guys. So you'll do that. They talked about, somebody else said something else about needing the tools, but really you have all the tools. I've shown you everything that we use. We have some proprietary tools that you don't have access to, but we've shown you how to use free tools. We're giving you some access to ATM Pro. People are asking about how they get into Super Affiliate Coaching Club. Part of the deal was that. We will send you an email link. We will send you the email information about the exclusive access email. Obviously, I can't put that on camera. I can't just hand it to you guys right now because then somebody else sees the video, they'll be trying to get it. We did put up a link that we're going to take down right away for Affiliate Traffic Machine Pro for $1 for you guys. So it's at Affiliate Traffic Machine Pro /GMTB.html. But let me just make sure. Hey, Mike? Is Mike back there? What's the special page for the $1 order on affiliate traffic? Oh, I'm on the wrong site. That's why. Is it /GMTB.html? No. It's a directory? Okay. Got it. AffiliateTrafficMachine.com. The software is called Affiliate Traffic Machine Pro, but we never use that URL. AffiliateTrafficMachine.com /GMTB. Get More Traffic Blueprint. This page will not be out there for very long. Some of you own it and have never used it. If you're in my coaching club, it was offered to you guys in the coaching club too, Super Affiliate Coaching Club. So I would take care of that. GMTB. Get More Traffic Blueprint. GMTB. How long do you guys need it to be up? Can we? I was thinking a week. Is that going to be enough time? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, exact. Thank you very much. You think they'll give me a refund? No. Hotels just don't seem to do that, so.
Jeff, within the videos, is there training?
Do we have a microphone runner, Mario? In the videos, is the training for ATM Pro? Yes, Mike made you a video for ATM Pro extracting data feeds from Amazon using ATM Pro and then putting them into WordPress blogs like we do. Then actually once you buy ATM Pro for $1, you don't have to pay full price. There is an online help system that has tutorials in there. So we made one specifically geared towards what we're doing here today. We included that in your training tutorial discs. And then the general step-by-step how to use it, not make money with it, just how to use it, also has a bunch of stuff. Once you buy it, you'll get a link to that too. And this is a $1 special $1 link. We've sold it for as much as $400. It says, if you read the instructions, it says, when ordering, you place, otherwise we'll have to contact you. If you use the email, hey Mike, how are you filtering the price? Is that a discount link? How is it they're getting a discount from the link on this page? He says it's $147. It says place a reservation, otherwise we'll have contact verify eligibility. And let's check out. Go to yes. It's $1. When you get to the final order page, it's $1. So we've sold it for $397. We switched it to a $147 up front, which is currently available for $20 a month. You guys get it for $1 and then $20 a month. If you don't want it, you don't keep it. It's a very, very valuable tool. I've had a lot of people that make sophisticated tools themselves join my coaching club just to get this. And not exaggerating. So it's a great tool. We've had it for years and use. It's not the prettiest user interface. My brother doesn't interface program for that. He does it for usability based on my specs. But we use it. It's easy to use. We've got all the tutorials that you need to use it. To apply it to make money, you're going to have to think about what we talked about here at this seminar. And we put a video in your video disc training to show you how to use it to drop it into a WordPress blog. So, okay. Now, what else came up over lunch? I think that's it. So, just because I said I did a digital camera or I'm in consumer electronics doesn't mean you guys can't do it. The market is too big. No one can control it. There's lots of products to go out there. Scott was asking me at lunch, what should I do, if I start up, because he's a very successful offline business person. And I was talking to Jeff about his business, and Scott does some drop shipping of physical products from China, and Jeff exports stuff from China. So I told him maybe we should talk to him. But I